Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious spicy ham and cheese omelet pie with sunny side up eggs. So let's get started. Yeah, the main ingredients to make our spicy ham and cheese omelet pie with sunny side up eggs are 6 large eggs, and over here we have a 1/4 cup of spinach, and back here we have about a 1/2 cup of chopped ham. Yep. And up here we have Fontinella cheese that we're going to grate up some and put it in our eggs. And over here we have our seasonings. There's a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Yeah, that ought to kick it up a notch. Yeah. Okay, let's get some of this stuff out of our way here and put it aside. Now we're going to grate up some of our Fontinella cheese. Boy, this is really flavorful once it starts cooking, so it's going to add some really good taste to our eggs. If you haven't tried Fontinella cheese, go ahead and try a little bit and check it out because it's tasty. Alright, let's grate up some. Okay, we're going to just take our box grater here and we're going to just go ahead and grate up some. Okay. That ought to do it right there. Alright, let me put this in a bowl and I'll bring you back. Okay, there's our grated Fontinella cheese. Boy, that looks good. It's about 3/4 of a cup, 3/4 of a cup there. Okay, put that aside for now. And we don't need our cutting board anymore, so we'll take that away. Okay, now we're going to take 2 eggs and we're going to crack them in a bowl here. Yeah, now we're going to add our seasonings. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Yeah, that's going to make it taste good and kick it up a notch. So let's put them in there. Now we're going to take our chopped ham. You know, it's about 1/2 cup. Really nice. We'll put that in there. Now we're going to take our 1/4 cup of spinach leaves and we're going to go ahead and put them in there. Now we're going to go ahead and mix that up. Okay. Now we're going to take some of our Fontinella cheese and we're going to put some of that in there. About 1/2. Okay. And we're going to mix that in. Just kind of fold it in good. Okay, that's good. Boy, that looks good already. Smells even better. Yeah. Okay, there's our beautiful egg mixture. Yeah, that's going to make a really nice cheesy omelet. So all we have to do now is start making our spicy ham and cheese omelet pie with sunny side up eggs. Yeah, let's get started doing that. Okay, now we're going to set our burner to medium low and we're going to put some oil in the pan. And we're going to take these, our cookie cutters. Yeah, and we're going to probably use the biggest one that we can get out of here. All right, it'll be that big one right there. That ought to work. Yep, okay. Now we're going to go ahead and oil this up. Spritz it with some oil. Okay, we'll put that right in the middle. Is that about in the middle, you think? How's that look? Okay, we'll leave it right there. And you can even coat it with a little more oil around the rim there. Now we're going to go ahead and take our egg mixture and we're going to put that right in the middle. See if we can do this. Okay, that looks good. Don't waste any, it's all tasty. Okay, we'll go ahead and level that out some. Well, that's going to be nice and cheesy. Is that about in the middle? Okay. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to crack a couple more eggs and we'll put them around the edge here. We'll put one right up here. Put one right here. And we'll go ahead and get that shell out of there. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, let's cover that and let that cook a little bit. Maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, let's give her a check, see how we're doing. Oh yeah, the eggs are just about done, and our pie is a little bit soft, but it'll get cooked in about another minute or so. So let's see if we can get that egg ring out of there. Might need to go around it with a spoon. Okay. Okay, not too bad. Wow, that looks good. Okay. We're going to go ahead and add a little more of our Fontinella cheese on top. Yeah, that's going to make it taste good. Okay, that looks good. And we're going to spritz that with a little bit of parsley flakes just to make it look nice, plus they taste good. Okay, that's about done. Let's just go ahead and shut off our burner and give that a taste test. Yeah, let's get into that. Okay, here it is, guys. Let's get it out of the pan. Okay, let's do it. See if we can get this out of here. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's check our eggs. See if they're still running. Can you see it? Okay, they're pretty good. All right. Let me spin it around so you can see it better. All right. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious spicy ham and cheese omelet pie with sunny side up eggs around the edge with plenty of cheese in the omelet. So let's get into it and see how it is. But first off, we're going to add a little seasoning. Tiny bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, because we like pepper. Okay, let's see if we can get into it. We'll cut it this way first. And we'll cut it this way. Okay, there you go. Okay, Okay, let me see if I can get under this piece right here and show it to you. There we have it, guys. Our delicious spicy ham and cheese omelet pie with sunny side up eggs. Yeah, you can't beat that. Alright, let's get into a little piece and taste it. Boy, does that look good or what? Can you see that? Look at that pie. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's just have a little piece of the pie. Boy, does that look good. I bet you it tastes even better. Boy, is that tasty. Wow. And our egg's still runny. There we go. See it still running out there? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Okay, guys, there you have it. A delicious spicy ham and cheese omelet pie with sunny side up eggs. Yep, you can't beat that right there. Is that good? Boy, is that tasty. It's not too spicy. It's just right. Just go ahead and make it that way. It's got a little heat to it, you know, but it's spicy ham, and with the egg and the cheese, man, does that cheese taste good in there. That Fontinella cheese that's in there, it's really good. Yep, make it whatever kind of cheese you want, but that really tastes good. Yeah, I just gotta have another little bite. Boy, does that look good, or what? Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and have another bite. Is that good? Boy, this would go good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yeah, it's really tasty. You know, go good with that right there, though? A nice cup of coffee. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Is this good?